Hi everyone, this is Irene here with Agape Greeting Cards. Thank you so much for joining me again for another card tutorial. I want to give a shout out to my subscribers, those who stop by and watch my videos, and any one of you who are just dropping in for a moment. Maybe you like something you see. I do appreciate you taking the time to, take a look. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple white background card. Just very simple, make everything okay. Now, because what I have you may not have, this is just to give you an idea of something that you can do. Keep it simple, and of course to keep your price down. That's what I would think. And perhaps maybe make more, for want of a better word. All right, so I'll be using a few things. This is just a wool stamp. It's like a map, no biggie. Then I will be using the Candied Apple Distress ink and the Vintage Photo with that as well. I'll be using the black Memento ink, and of course any sentiment of your choice. I have hello, but I am not going to necessarily use that. I'm just going to do the design so you can see. And I also have a stamp, like foliage stamp, pretty much. To get started, this is my 110-pound cardstock. My card sizes are 4¼ by 5½. These are my standard cards that I do. I will go ahead and utilize 2 strips of paper that I had before. Just get them taped at strategic points, pretty much, because I want to create some sort of, I guess if you want to say a middle ground, perhaps that is an option, but not necessarily the truth. But I'm going to be utilizing and making sure that on both sides of where I stick this off, it is this possibly the same width, not necessarily, no biggie on that, but just an option. You can put this anyhow you want. Doesn't have to be like mine. First, I'm going to use the Candied Apple, and I'm going to do a couple of swooshes across. So I'm going to start from the top. I'm just going to do some squishes. Nothing, whoops, you see, it moved. But anyway, that's okay. The whole idea is the concept that I'm trying to create for you. So just hang on with me. So I've done some swooshes one way. That's what I call it. And now I'm going to just do it the other way. So I'm just going to put a little pressure on there so I can get it going across, because I want to create more something like a crisscross. Again, this is a little more difficult than I thought, but that's okay. It'll still have the effect that I'm looking for. Okay. So let's get this out of the way. It didn't come out entirely how I had hoped, but at least you can see the center part here. I'm going to go ahead and just, kind of extend it a little bit, because I really wanted a little more of that. And again, it's just like lightly swooshing, and I'm going to go the other way on this. Let's see. I'm trying to make sure I get it right. There we go. Okay, so we can leave it like this, no big deal, because you'll see the outcome. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just use just a little portion of this so that I can get, I'll just do it at different points perhaps, and just get kind of like sporadic somethings. So I'm going to place it on here, and I'm just going to press it lightly on. So again, this is a wall map. You could use anything else you want. And you see there is the imprint here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put my foliage right on top of that. And it doesn't have to be very sharp, just so that you have the imprint. And pretty much that's it. Very simple, very straightforward, no biggie. So this is a lovely card. You can just put your sentiment on there. That's fine. You can also go ahead and swoosh your ink right across the card. It doesn't matter, but you know, your sentiment goes on wherever. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and have fun with your distress inks. Bye.